Hi, good evening. How are you all? Guys, I am Dr. M. Vijay Durga. See, Autoflash Videos is my channel. In the channel, I just made videos regarding, classes regarding both ortho and obstetrics and gynecology. I have completed my fellowship in obstetrics and gynecology, and I'm the postgraduate in MS Masters of Surgery in orthopedics. So I have conducted, lots of classes regarding orthopedics since my post graduation, and since my starting of my post graduation residentship, and second year from on second year onwards, and after after 3 years of my post graduation, I have completed a fellowship in obstetrics and gynecology, and I have also kept lots of videos regarding obstetrics and gynecology in Autoflash videos. Please, guys, please go through each and every video, because all those videos, each and every video is just made out of from the renowned textbooks, and lots of conferences, classes, journal articles, and not only that, and lots of research, and collection of the evidences from the patients and all, and not only that, lots of cases, in regular OPs and all. Not only that, and inpatient cases, outpatient cases, lots of cases also I have kept in the YouTube channel. Guys, I just humbly request you to please subscribe, and please subscribe the Autoflash videos and go through the channel. Each and every video is almost 15 minutes, 20 minutes and all, except obstetrics and gynecology. Those are I have made in nutshell for each and every, like every class, or around 1 hour. So please make some patience, and go through each and every obstetrics and gynecology, nutshell. Specifically, I have also posted in the post section, and please don't forget to see post section, comment section, because there are lots of notes I have kept in the post section and comment section. And not only that, recently I have added some charts regarding iron deficiency anemia, metabolic syndrome, diet charts for the diabetic patients and all those things. I have newly added those charts, and not only that, I have also added menstrual hygiene classes and all, for both, like in English also I have uploaded, like scientifically, and not only that, in Telugu, my mother tongue, I have also uploaded in the mother tongue itself, because in Andhra Pradesh we used to speak in Telugu, and in order to understand the local population and all, I have also uploaded on the account of International Menstrual Hygiene Day. So not only that, I have also uploaded some charts regarding menstrual hygiene, also posters and all, and lots of regular stuff, deficiencies, vitamin C deficiency, vitamin D deficiencies, all those things are regular, how we can manage and all. Not only that, regarding diets and all, lots of shorts, and lots of small videos I have um, uploaded on the Autoflash videos. So guys, please go through the Autoflash videos, please subscribe the channel, and please go through each and every video. Like shorts and videos are very less time and all. If you are a doctor, or if you are an MBBS graduate or intern or postgraduate, whatever, for each and every one, obstetrics and gynecology in nutshell classes are very helpful. Please go through each and every topic. Not only that, uh, there is an oncology in nutshell class. It's I made it simplify, and I made it very easy and all, for upcoming upcoming obstetrics and gynecologists, and upcoming doctors and all. It's really easy for them to understand. And please go to the channel, please subscribe Autoflash videos, and not only that, I have also posted some of the important links from WHO, World Health Organization, and FODC. Not only that, and lots of guidelines are being implemented. I'm trying to implement like vaccination guidelines from implementation of TDAP, and I have also done a video regarding vaccines in pregnancy. See. Uh, Based upon the ACOG guidelines, American, you know, like ACOG guidelines and all, uh, and not only that, please follow each and everything. Um, so please try to subscribe the flash videos and follow each and every. Hello. Yeah, sure. Definitely, I'll try. I'll learn English and all because it's an international language. No problem. Whatever I'm speaking in a very simply very simplified manner and simple English, so each and everyone can understand. Definitely, I will improve and. Um, okay. Please don't post messages not related to the subject, and I hope. And not only that, please, if you have any like topics, or if you want to know about any subject like regarding orthopedics and obstetrics and gynecology, just message me. This is the topic. If you people any if you people are any feeling difficulty while learning or understanding, just message me, or just post in the comment section. These are the topics, ma'am. Let's discuss and all. So, or if you want to make a video or teaching lesson regarding any like any topics, you can just post in the comment section. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, everyone.